Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Delia and I would highly appreciate if you guys click that subscribe button and join my family. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. This is one of what was supposed to be many graduation inspired looks. I did plan on doing a whole bunch of makeup looks that you guys could wear for your graduation, because I know graduation is coming up for a lot of you guys. So if you are graduating this year, congratulations. I graduated in 2014 from high school, so yeah. But during the process of this video, my tripod broke, so I didn't get to film my face. But I will be posting everything that I use down in the description box, and I'll probably be posting it on the side somewhere right here. So I just have my hair up in a bun because I wasn't focused on actually doing hair. It was more of just the makeup. So here's a quick little close-up. It's just a cut crease. You can turn this into a regular eyeshadow look. You could turn it into a halo look. I did a cut crease because I just feel like doing a cut crease today. So if you guys want a little bit of inspiration for your graduation coming up, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be starting off with the review first on the brow pencil. So I actually tried this pencil, but it was the wrong shade, so I went a shade a little bit darker. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. My camera might be moving a little bit because my tripod is broken, but this is what we're going to be doing the brows with. I know I look a little tore up, so let's just throw this hair up. Yeah, so I don't know. I mean, because I had got the wrong shade last time, I wasn't like too in love with it, but I better not having to be fix my camera the whole video. But we're gonna try this one, and I just got it yesterday, so let's try. This is the brow pencil part on this side, and then this part is a spoolie. So we're just gonna brush out the brows and try it out. But so it just seems dry. The other one that I had got seemed a little bit more like it glided. I really had to put pressure on this one for some reason. Maybe I just got a default, but I mean, it is my shade, and it's gonna take some time to get used to because I'm not used to working with a pencil. But I'm gonna go clean out my brows, and then we're just gonna head on to the eyeshadow. Okay, so with the brows cleaned out, they look a little bit good, but you know what, I'm not really too satisfied with them. I'm gonna, you know, keep using it and see what I can do, because definitely this is not how my brows turn out when I'm using the dip brow. So I guess this is just whatever. I don't know, maybe I need to keep using it some more, because it's my daughter. I gotta go tend to her. But really quick, we're gonna jump right into the eyeshadow. So I already did one eye. I'm just gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm gonna use it as my primer. You guys know I use concealer over like a regular primer, and I'm just gonna be taking this Real Techniques brush if I can find it. I don't know the number right now, but I'll put it down in the description, and I'm just gonna blend that all around, and yeah, make sure it doesn't really like crease. So we're using the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette, and we're gonna go in with the shade For the Gram. I'm just using a like fluffy brush, and I'm going to take that and kind of like pack it into my lid, but not so much because we're gonna blend it out. So I'm just gonna be taking this little brush right here, and I'm gonna be taking that same For the Gram shade, and I'm just gonna be flinging that out. You fling it out as far as you want to, but because my eyelids are small, this is just as far as I'm gonna go. And I had to kind of make sure like it was the same. I packed it on as much as I did the other side. Now I'm just taking this kind of like fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to take the shade Butterscotch, and I'm going to put that above the For the Gram shade, and I'm going to still fling it out just so it kind of blends out and gives it like a faded effect. You guys know I love doing little fades. So I'm going to be taking this little, I think it's a smudge crease brush, I don't really know, and the shade Hot Tamale, and I'm going to be putting that deep into my crease, and it's also going to fling out, and we really want to blend it into that first shade that we did, so there's no harsh lines. So now we're gonna go in with our concealer and cut the crease, and we're gonna wing it out in the same shape as the eyeshadow is going. So this is the finished look. Yeah, I didn't film my face and my lips because my tripod just broke on me and I wasn't gonna be able to like hold the phone at the same time. I'm trying to like put it on the stand, but unfortunately without the other piece holding on to the top of my phone, it's just gonna fall off. So all the details will be on my Instagram and down in the description box below. If you guys recreate this look, I hope that you tag me on Instagram or your YouTube video. Let me know that I was your inspiration. But yeah, it's really simple. My face routine was literally just the same that I do all the time, and the lip is the same, except I did try this let me find it. I picked up also a NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade Athens. I had the Istanbul one, but that one is a little bit too pink for me, and I feel like this one really looks good with a clear gloss over it. As I said, all the products will be down in the description box. Also check out my Instagram for close-up pictures. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to join my family, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.